students. Today we are going to start our first chapter of business studies, class 11, that is evolution and fundamentals of business. So before starting our topic of chapter number 1, we will discuss the term business studies, that is our subject. And business means buying and selling of goods and services for profit purpose, and studies means to learn about, to get depth knowledge about it is known as study. So we can say that business studies means study about the business, see how to control the business, how to manage the business is known as business studies. So let's begin our topic. Human activity. Firstly, in first chapter we will discuss about the human activities. See, there are various activities which are performed by human beings. So human activities are those activities which are performed by human beings to meet their requirement. Clear? So there are various activities performed by the human beings, just like some persons are busy to producing the goods, some are busy to buying and selling of goods and services, some are busy for their law practice, some are busy for their medical profession. Okay, so all the persons in the society, or we can say that all the persons in the business organization are busy with their activities. They are performing something time to time, they are performing their activities. So human activities which are performed by human beings to meet their requirements are two types. First one is human activities are related with money, or human activities which are not related with money. So we can say that which are related with mental satisfaction. Okay, some activities are performed by human beings to meet the requirements for profit purpose, for making their money. So these are known as economic activities, and some activities are performed by human beings to satisfy their mental level, to their psychological satisfaction, are known as non-economic activities. So these are the human activities. There are two types of human activities. The first one is economic activity and second is non-economic activities. As I discussed earlier that those activities which are related with money is known as economic activities, and those activities which are not related with money but performed for their mental satisfaction or psychological satisfaction is known as non-economic activities. Okay, so some activities are performed by the human for their money purpose, and some activities are performed by human for their mental satisfaction. So examples of these activities are just like business. In business we are producing something, or we can say that if we buy something from anyone and sell those goods to the customers, and customer will pay for that goods. So these activities are performing for money purpose. Second example is practice of law or practice of medical. These are the examples of profession. See, an advocate who consult their client, and after that he charge from fees, consultancy fees from their client. In the same way, in medical profession, doctor treat his patient and after that he will charge his medical charges. So these are also examples of economic activities, because in these activities money is involved. Okay, so another example of economic activities are working in a factory. Suppose in any person in your neighborhood who is working in a factory, after that at the end of the year, if he is working as a laborer, at the end of the year he will get his wages, and or we can say that he will get his salary after 1 month. So these are also involved with money purpose. So these are also economic activities. Clear? Now comes to the second, non-economic activities. These activities which are not related with money but are performed by human beings for their psychological satisfaction. So just like social work, social welfare purpose, some persons are busy in their social welfare purpose, some persons are doing religious prachar, and some persons donate something for their mental satisfaction, because in these activities they are not expecting any money in return. So these are included in the non-economic activities. Now comes to the difference between economic and non-economic activities. See, firstly, basis of differences. First is meaning. Economic activities Meaning of economic activity in simple terms we can say that which is related with money, and non-economic activities which is related with psychological satisfaction. So next point is motive of economic and non-economic activities. So easily we can understand that in economic activities there is profit or money earning motive in economic activities, but in non-economic activities no money is involvement. These activities are performed by mental satisfaction. So in this point the motive of non-economic activity is related with psychological satisfaction. Next is result. So what is the result of economic activities? See, production of goods and services. When we produce goods and services and after that those goods and services are sold out, then they generate the money. So these are the result. This is the result of economic activity because they create the wealth. So in non-economic activity, mental satisfaction is the result of this, because if any person perform non-economic activity, any person who is performing the activities just like charity, donation and some religious purpose work, so he feels very happy to perform those activities. So these are related with the outcome of these activities is mental satisfaction. Now the examples of economic activities: business, profession, employment, as I discussed earlier. So any person who producing the goods, any person who giving their services, any person who is working under any other person, any other organization. So these are all related with money concept. So these are economic activities. So non-economic activities which are related with social work, religious purpose, any charity, donation we can consider in this. So these are the examples of non-economic activities. So last point is money measurement concept. In economic activities mainly focus on money, earnings, profits. So money is mandatory in economic activities, and non-economic activities money is not mandatory, because in these activities we are performing the activities for their mental satisfaction, not for money. So this is the today's topic. Thank you so much.